of this Wisconsin Badgers rebuild. Last year we lost in the first round to get back on track here. Um, all right, let's go to our recruiting board. Wow, I got way one too many. Yeah, I do not want you on here. Just got him. Don't worry. Oh shit, bro, I forgot what my positional needs are real quick. Hold up. What the fuck? QB, we are chilling for a bit. Running back. We don't need running backs. We could get a wide receiver. We need a tight end. Good there. Probably need a center. Left end is good. At least keep it close within one score. I'd really appreciate that. I mean, I'm only yeah. So let's just try and run the ball because audibles ain't gonna really work. Yep, nice easy first down. I don't even. Okay. R1, R1. Fuck, there's like holding or illegal man downfield. That's gonna fuck us. That's nice. Or maybe a late hit. Personal foul, roughing the passer. Let's go. Except Williams might be open here. Another first down for the Badgers. R1 white or triangle. They're here right away. Nope. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Oh, nope. We're going to look for triangle because that's the only one I can really see. Triangle, yep. Williams picks up the first right here. Okay, circle. I think I'm just going to throw it to him. Yeah. Oh, I couldn't even throw. Didn't even give me it with the Acre. First down and goal line. And just walk in for the touchdown. As I heard that motherfucker shushing the crowd. Oh my god, no. And now they're gonna go tie up the fuck this bad. That's come on, bro. He literally got stuck on his ass, bro. Give me that shit. Cheeks. Fuck yeah. Big time interception by Sebastian Cheeks. I don't even know what play I just picked. Just catch it, yeah, fall down. I don't give a fuck. Get strapped up. He's no, come on, bro. I'm selling, bro. I'm selling my team. My fault, y'all. Oh shit. Holy fuck, O-line. You aren't gonna block for shit. Big third down and goal. Touchdown. Fuck yeah. Big stop. Oh, why aren't we blitzing? Oh my god, no way, bro. How do you. No fucking. Bro, this game's gotta be on some bullshit right now. That is not, bro. Oh my fucking god. That's the biggest bullshit I've seen all day. That's horrible. This game's fucking horrible. That's the biggest horseshit I've seen all day from this fucking game. Oh my fucking. Call hike, you dumb pussy. Oh my. You're gonna fuck it. You gotta start playing the. Like, I hate this playbook calling down the stretch, dude. I don't even. Oh, no, no. Fucking, bro. See, this is why. Fuck this game. We got big week versus Indiana that I am going to simulate, and hopefully we win. Because if we lose, I'm gonna be pissed off. We're still ranked number 4, going up against number 21 ranked Indiana. If we fucking lose, I'm like, okay. So we got 5-star cornerback. Yo, this is the best recruiting class of my life so far. I wonder if that did, but I guess not. I'm wrong. We need a big stop down here. Oh, Sebastian Cheeks with the pick. Fuck, he's gonna get caught by this little shitter. Yep. It's alright, we got 1 minute. Down on the 11. 44 seconds left, all with 1 timeout. Fuck. Oh my, and I'm running the wrong fucking way. Yep, no huddle. Yep, I'm being a dumbass. There goes all our, like, fucking, oh great, yep. And now I don't even know what play it is. Nobody's open. We are gonna run, throw this bitch away. Is Pauline hurt? No, he's out there, okay. I'm gonna look X. Yep, get that out to Williams. Williams gets the edge. Gets out of mine. Going inside zone to Akers. Oh my god, and he breaks a tackle. Punch that bitch in. Let's fucking go. Big play. Take the lead going into half. Up 14. I'm gonna skip the moment. I'm not kicking field goals either. Red zone alert. Looks like we're in the red zone a lot. I'm gonna play this moment because I want to know the score. Oh, we're blowing them out. Sebastian Cheeks. We just beat. Oh, I hadn't baited. I could fucking give me a mini heart attack thinking that they might come back and beat us, but get the 38-22 win over the Ducks. Oh, shit. Akers, player of the game. Not Akers. I don't know why I keep saying Akers. It's Aker, but it's whatever. It is what it is. Looking at the stats. We're gonna have 2 quarterbacks in there. Lockheed, 181 or 182 pass yards, 2 touchdowns. On the ground, Aker, 17 carries, 51 yards, 2 touchdowns, and then Nate White, 12 carries, 41 yards, and a touchdown. Receiving wise, Will Pauly, 6 catches, 88 yards, and then Vinny Anthony with only 7 yards off 4 catches, but he got a touchdown, and then CJ Williams getting himself a touchdown. Let's look at the defense side of things up in here. Kirk Kennedy, 2 sacks. Darrell with a sack. Thomas with a sack. Will McDonald with a sack. Ricardo Hallman with a pick. And Sebastian Cheeks with a pick. I'll just, contact friends and family. Might as well send the house too. Try and get him. This punter wants to come here, so, fuck it. I'll just offer him. I don't care. Looking. Hold up. Is there, anything I could do where it says recruited? Alright, so basically to end off the video, I'm gonna show you who we all got from Illinois. Got this 5-star athlete, 92 throw power, 92 speed, 95 excel. We got this 5-star D tackle from Jersey City, New Jersey, power rusher, 73 strength, 89 hit power, 89 tackling, 84 power move. We beat out teams like Michigan and Ohio State for that guy. We got this 5-star cornerback, man to man, from Michigan, 99 speed, 90 excel, 81 man, 85 press, 77 catching, 91 change of direction. Yeah, we beat out teams like Michigan, Ohio State, Penn State, Georgia. 4-star gem of a wide receiver with 94 speed, 96 jumping, 81 catching. We beat out Iowa, Louisville, North Carolina, Michigan. Another 4-star wide receiver. Holy fuck, our wide receiver class is gonna be loaded. He's more of a deep threat with 93 speed, uh, 96 cell, 81 catching, 87 SPAC catch, which is kind of crazy. We beat out. He's from Kansas. We beat out Kansas State, Kansas, Iowa State, Indiana. Got this 4-star gem of a tight end possession from Danville, Illinois. 81 catching, 64 pass block. We got some work to do there. But we beat out like Minnesota, Missouri, and all that shit. We got this 4-star gem of a right outside linebacker, pass coverage. Yes, he's hella fast. 88 speed, 88 excel, 79 tackling. Um, we beat out pretty much the same teams like Kansas, Kansas State, Texas Tech, Iowa. We got this 4-star cornerback that's also man to man from Kansas City, Missouri. My bad. 96 speed, 90 excel, 81 man, 91 change of direction, 81 press. We beat out Louisville, Kansas State, Kansas, and Missouri for that guy. Got this 5-star middle linebacker, pass coverage with 91 speed, 93 excel, 85 tackling. We beat out Ohio State, Cincinnati, Michigan, Penn State, so a bunch of Big Ten rivals. And then we got this 4-star strong safety. I don't know why they're still coming on their visit, but go ahead. From South Bend, Indiana. 79 zone, 91 speed, 90 excel, 71 tackling. Beat out Purdue, NC State, Louisville, Indiana. That's all we got so far, but we got a few guys coming on visits that we're pretty close on getting. This other right outside linebacker from Illinois. We're competing with Louisville, Minnesota, Miami, Ohio, and Iowa. He's pretty good. He's got 80 tackling, 88 speed, 88 excel, so we could use him. I don't know why I have this other quarterback on there, but yeah. I mean, we already have one of the best recruiting classes in the nation, I think, right? Yeah, we gotta have it. Top classes, yeah. There we are, 3 somehow. We got 4, I guess. They got a bunch of 4-stars, but we got 4 5-stars, 6 4-stars. So I mean, we definitely have the most 5-stars out of anybody. And if we go back to our recruiting board, I could get this other 4-star wide receiver. Like, I put way too many wide receivers on here. I should go after this right guard from Thiensville, Wisconsin. That we redshirted and that are freshmen. I ain't too worried. So yeah, until next time.